Hello everyone, it's Paula here. I am here with a couple of Christmas journals that I made last year and never did get to do a video on them. And I've already given away the rest of these kits, and so I just thought that I would just do a little video on these and put them out there for sale as empty journals that are awaiting their owner's decorative creativity, if that makes any sense. They are amazing. I absolutely love them. They do look cute on my shelf. They have 2 signatures in them, and they're made out of this beautiful white wallpaper that I found at a garage sale. It's vintage wallpaper. And I put these metal corners on. This one has the actual corners. This one has this type, filigree type corners. So if you're interested, I'll just tell me in which corners, the one with which corners that you would like. Or you can just say the calendar one and the joyful Christmas. How's that? We'll do it that way. But I'll do a quick run through of them. They have this sari silk, nylon sari silk as closures. They have pink eyelets. They're sewn all around. And I just think they're beautiful. And each one of them have an envelope with pink doily, guest checks, and just little bits of ephemera to go in with it that I was going to put in it, but never got around to finishing these. So I figure I will just sell them as is, and they can be decorated by their new owner. They have this beautiful pink kit, which I think is by Tsunami Rose. I'll find it and link it below. And coffee dyed paper. Pretty beautiful pages of paper in here. Old time Christmas book advertisement. Yeah, this is Tsunami Rose's kit for sure. I love it. And I just wanted you to see the insides of them. This old school paper. I don't know if you can't see the lines on it, but there is lines on it. I don't know. Pumpkin pie for Christmas, I guess. I don't know why I put that one in there, but I did. Oh, yeah, because it has pie makings on it. And, yeah. They each have different pages of the kit inside, but they both have the same amount of pages. There's the pumpkin pie. There it is. I knew there was a reason why I put it in here. And yeah, they're just so cute. You could leave it as is and just have tons of writing, or you can buy them, decorate them as you wish. And yeah, isn't that beautiful? Oh, I love them so much. Got vellum, printable vellum on there. And here we have some stickers I was going to use as decoration, and this is a little wish booklet list thingy I put in there. Another Christmas music page, old music page. Oh, it's so pretty. I just love them, but they've been sitting up there. This one's in cardstock. This piece is cardstock, printed on cardstock. And yeah, they were awaiting their new owners, and I have never gotten back to decorating them, so I'm going to sell them as is. There's the other side of the, I've never opened these, of the little bag. A piece of the vellum. And then in the back of each one, this is a fabric pocket, by the way. And in the back of each one, you have 4 Christmas tags backed on coffee dyed paper. Nope, backed on cardstock. And then this guest check, which I was going to use throughout the book. And like I said, I just never got around to it. So, yeah. There is that one. That is the calendar one. And then over here, it's even got some pink on that. I love that. This is the Joyful Christmas one. I love these filigrees on the front. And the same thing in this pocket, only the back paper is different back there. So I'll just tuck that back in there. And here are the pages in this one. Just got different kit pages. That one is on cardstock, coffee dyed paper. And I can't remember if this was a freebie, I think. I want to say Von Preston, but I'm not sure. And this one is on cardstock. I love the way it goes from the white to the brown paper. So beautiful. And coffee dyed paper, the weekly sheet. And this one has sponge cake recipes in the middle. This is a vintage cookbook. I just love it. So pretty. And isn't that cute? The brown and the white. It's all mixed together so beautifully. Some vintage paper there. I just think this Christmas kit is so cute. This is the second signature. That is so pretty too. It's got gold flakes in it. Did some punching on there. Martha Stewart punch. And some more magazine. Christmas magazine. And there is the vellum piece for this one. This one has the same thing in the little baggie there. Oh, come on. Isn't that so cute? I will link Tsunami Rose's kit below if I can find the link to it, but it's her last year's Christmas kit that she did, and it is a lot to it, and it's beautiful. Beautiful. Love it. Middle of the signature. Isn't that cute? You could cut these apart and use them as ephemera and not as a whole page. That would be a good idea. There's the other part of the bag. I always do this to make sure I cut it open. Sometimes I forget and have to do it later. Another piece of the vellum. And the vintage Christmas book page there. And I love this. I got some more Christmas paper over there. I gotta get using. And here are the tags for this one. Peace, cozy, family, and gift. And then that gift. And if I find any more Christmas stuff laying around here, I will add it to this as they sell. And yeah, I will link my Facebook below, and you can catch me over there if you are interested in one of these. Just let me know which one you would like. Like I said, this one will be Joyful Christmas, and this one will be the calendar one. The only thing I don't like about this little string, sometimes it gets stringy. But I love the way it looks on these journals. So, yeah. There's that. And what else was I going to tell you all? I cannot remember. Oh, I also have I made some 2-inch and 3-inch why am I not thinking correctly? I put it on muslin and made this. You could use this as pockets or belly bands. You could cut it up and use it for snippets. Snippet roll is what it is. There you go. Finally came out of my head. And if you are interested in any of this snippet roll, please send me a message on Facebook and I will get you some right out. And here is the I think it's 2.5 inch. 2.5 inch? Yeah, 2.5 inch snippet roll. And this one is, I think it was 3. Yeah, 3 inch. And yeah, They're so pretty. I just love making it. Absolutely love it. And it makes great belly bands and pockets and clusters, as you all know. Yeah, that was the other thing I was going to tell you. So, thank you so much for, if you're still here, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Please give me a thumbs up if you like my videos. Get me out there in the YouTube world, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.